Hey everybody, this is John Barton from JB Cases. So we're about to do a weekly showcase here. Let me make sure my hands are clean so I don't mess up anybody's case. Been working on cases back there. Okay, here we go. First one is this one here is 2x5, 3x4, black and blue and gray. Very pretty. Says Accelerate tournaments, I think, yeah. Is that what that says? All right. Blue. 2x5, 3x4. So, what's been happening in this week, I guess. So here we go. We got a gray and black with, looks like football team on there. Kind of a Punisher Indian mashup logo there, I think. And it says on the snap. Pretty cool. This is a 4x8. Another cool thing, this has brass hardware on here. That's something you can get on request. It's not on the designer. Look at the white zipper pulls here. Red, yellow, and blue. And this is for reams. And then this one here has 4 butts, 8 shafts with backpack straps. Very cool. Okay, moving on here. I've got a black and gray and red with red zipper pulls. Gray zipper, gray. So 2x5, 3x4, black and gray. Look at that down at the bottom, Dito right there. How cool, right? Red zipper pulls. Nice little bit of splash of red there to offset it. Gray, slate gray stitching, and a slate gray interior. There you go. All right, next one we have here, I have a black and white 3x6. We got a logo on there. I'm not sure what that is for, but that looks pretty cool. And white backpack straps, white and black. We have a magnetic pocket latch right here. And we have a flip top lid with spacers in here. Those are spacers that you can do. Those spacers right there, you can do them without any tools. Sorry, I'm rushing today because I have to go help out with a tournament at the pool room. I'm not sure why I can't just be happy with being a case maker. Why do I have to own a pool room? Whatever. You know, I guess every pool player dreams of being Shane Van Boening, and every case maker dreams of owning a pool room, I guess. All right, this is a 4x8 black and blue dynamite with also with brass on here. Dynamite rugged means longer pockets and larger pockets. This has a magnetic holder in the lid. It says for Corey. Looks like that. So put your stuff in there, hold it in. This is a joint protector and chalk holder. Fits inside the pocket. And there's a 4x8 with an orange interior. Very cool. And I think that we are missing a backpack strap on here, so I'm not sure what that is. We'll put that on in a little bit. And this has JB Cases in the lid. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. We don't force you guys to put the JB Cases on there big and prominent, you know, and advertise for us. So we always appreciate it when you guys want to do that. So it's camo 4x8, woodland camo style, with a green interior, 4 butts, 8 shafts, single strap. All right, next one here is also a 4x8, blue and gold, with a really cool looking logo on there. I wonder what that logo is. I feel like I've seen that before. Anyway, real cool. Look, it's got tan zipper pulls here, blue zipper pulls here, white piping. Just look how pretty the case is. I mean, Jesus, for... Oh, look here. We got even embroidery on the... here on the back. And a ball with a star on it, I guess. And tan zipper pulls. There you go. So I had a guy yesterday go into a thread where Witten was showing off a case, a beautiful case. And the guy goes, these are better than those crappy JB cases. Turns out the dude is a customer, ordered a case like back in September, and all we did was we missed the interior color, so we sent him an interior, and it's the wrong shade of blue, right? So no problem, right? We can just send him a new color. But he goes off, and no, saying we wanted to charge him for shipping. We did not. But it's just funny because these guys, they're that upset and they don't get what they want from our customer service folks, from Lauren or from Lulu or whatever. And then they don't even bother to even try to talk to me, Let me see if I can intervene and see if I can mediate or whatever. They just go off half-cocked, It's crazy. So one of the things the guy said was he put in you see if I look really close here, see the little bit of kind of wrinkles right in there? That's inherent to the material. So when you fill up the pocket, as you fill up the pocket, those wrinkles disappear, you see? So they're not even it's not even an error, And the guy's going off on me on there going, well, look at this bad quality and all this. And I was like, dude, just talk to us. Finally, I told the guy, I was like, look, you could just have your money back. But check it out. This is black and purple and pink and green. Look at all the beautiful colors on this case. Isn't that gorgeous? And is this the one? Let's see. This one has also different color zipper pulls on here with a blue interior. There you go. Okay. So real quick, I'm going to pull this one since it's similar. This one's interesting. This one's black and green and purple and pink as well. 2x5, 3x4. See, it says Chandra on there. Really cool. Even the backpack straps are different colors. How cool is that, right? Now check it out. This says, I'm not sure what that says on there. Can't really read it, but have JB cases on the lid. Thank you again very much for that. But check this out. Look at this. That's something you can get on request as well. You just have to ask us for it, and we can do that, no problem. But that is a purple and green interior, right? With the JB cases in the lid right there. Looks really cool. This one also has an extra D-ring on the back, so if they want to use just a center strap. Now, I recommend, just overlapping them if you want to just carry it on one shoulder. Like that, basically, But if you feel like you just want one strap, there you go, right in the center. All right. This one here is blue, navy blue, and tan. Right here. Got like looks like is that the Ferrari symbol on there for Phil? Very nice, one strap. Look at the beauty of this embroidery. I mean, we take a lot of pride in trying to make the embroidery really nice. So, I think we did an okay job on that one. Navy blue interior, very pretty. Once in a while, we're going to screw up on something, but all you got to do is talk to us, usually we'll be able to take care of it without a problem. Anyway, here, this case is cool. This is, hey Lauren, what's this material on here? Is that something the customer?
I believe it's a tweed we have.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay. This is a tweed. I don't think we've used this yet, but it's got kind of a canvas feel to it. Feels really good, very strong, kind of like a little bit of a Carhartt feel. This one has a big Velcro piece right here for putting patches on. So if you have something like this, right? You have something like this, you can just stick it on there like that. Look how nicely that even matches right there, right? There you go. Lots of military guys like to get this so they can put their military patches on here. But this is a 2x5, 3x4, extremely elegant case, by the way. with an orange interior. How do you like that? Right? So this is our Dynamite Rugged series, which has taller pockets and longer pockets. All right. Next one here is black and white. Black with white thread and red pocket sides, red handle, black handle on top, red zipper pulls, and the name on the back looks pretty cool. And this is a 3x6. Once again, I want you to see something here. See the red zipper pulls right here, and then we have black zipper pulls here. You know, these are all the custom stuff that you get with our cases. That really, honestly, you know, very few other case makers even offer that. If any, you know, I mean, I'm not sure. But for real, I mean, the guys, you know, the other guy was complaining about, like, he spent like $260 on the case and like $25, $30 on the shipping. So it ended up with the shipping and tax or whatever. It ended up being just under $300. You know, and he's going to go and compare it to a Witten, you know, that is like $1,500. And I just put his post up. You know, you can go to our website and you can go to our group on Facebook and you can take a look. And I just put up what he said, you know, and just said, do you guys agree or disagree? Then come to find out he's actually a customer and he's upset because of the color of the interior not being right. You know, instead of allowing us a chance to fix it and talking to me, he just wants to go off all over the internet. So stupid. Anyway, this is a red 4x8 right here with a ball holder in the lid. It says Ash right there. Looks like kind of a 3D embroidery on there. Looks pretty cool. All right, with backpack straps. So there you go. Very nice. All right, then we go moving around here. I have here a green and maroon and black 2x5, 3x4. So remember, our 2x5 is the equivalent of other people's 2x4. So we basically just give you an extra slot inside the case, as you can see right in the center. So you can fit another butt in there, or you can fit another shaft as you want. And this one is for Wilson. So very cool. Alrighty. Then here, this is another black and red for Van Boxel. Hate it when I mispronounce people's names. Thank you, Lauren. All right. There you go. Is it Lauren or Loren or Lauren or
Depends on who you ask.
Lawen? I don't know. It depends on who I ask. All right, this is a 4x8, black and gray. Also the Dynamite Rugged style, so you can see the pockets are taller and longer. That's why there's 2 of them on there instead of 3. This one is for Callaway, and white zipper pulls on here, very pretty, with a light blue interior. There you go. That was the color of interior that the guy wanted, and apparently we sent him a darker color. The case came with a gray interior, which also is, by the way, very, very pretty. But yeah, so I guess that's it right there, right? Yeah, did I get them all? All right. So yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know what else to say to you guys except you can see the level of custom that we do in both construction and decoration. I think for the price, you know, we offer the best protection. I think we offer the most customization in, as I said, in construction and in design or in decoration. The durability is exceptional with our cases. The comfort is exceptional. We really pay attention to ergonomics and how it fits in your hand. We pay attention to all the stress points, make sure they're super tough. And, you know, at the end of the day, we back all of that up with a lifetime warranty. So if you're a customer of ours and you have a problem with us, you know, and it just can't be resolved any other way with talking to our regular customer service reps, then feel free to contact me. Just let me look at it, you know. I mean, any of us can make a mistake. I've made mistakes talking to people where I've gotten, I've said the wrong thing or given the wrong information, and had my wife had to correct me, and then I go back and say to the customer, hey man, I'm sorry about that. She's made mistakes, Lauren's made mistakes, Asia's made mistakes. All of us have made mistakes. We can all do brain farts. There are things that we don't know sometimes, the answer to a question. So the best thing you can do is just ask, man. Don't just go off on the internet and go, oh, JB cases are shitty and everything, because all that's going to do is make me have to defend our brand. And honestly, we sell over 30,000 cases. We sold over 30,000 cases. And the vast, vast, vast majority of those customers have been super happy. There's been a few that haven't been happy. It happens. Very few times it's just been, I'll say it's been my fault. I just, say, well, you know what, fuck it. I don't want your business. And then there's a few times, where the customers are just really out of line, and there comes a point where we're just not going to do anything. But if you've got something very simple that's not even really a problem, then just ask. Don't go crazy. And at the end of the day, if it's that bad, just talk to me, and we have a satisfaction guarantee. So, if the case isn't customized, we'll take it back and give you all your money back, and there you go. And if it is customized, I'll take it back and I'll give you your money back less the work that we did. I'm going to have to sell it for a lot less, in some way, or modify it so it'll be sellable. Obviously, if it was a case like this with all of this embroidery on it and everything like that, then it would be much more difficult. But, honestly, 99.9% of the time when we make a case like that for someone, there's no problem whatsoever. So, we never get those back. But anyway, I'm kind of digressing here. The point is we really give you a lot of choice built around a really sturdy, protective interior. And if anybody wants to compare apples to apples, point by point, we can go through it with any other case maker. So it makes no sense to get on another case maker's website or on their page and invoke our name and say that we are worse than them. I don't want you to say we're better than them either. I don't want you to mention our case name on any other case maker's website. Please. Just don't do it. It's just not cool. All right. Case makers deserve to be able to show off their work without being molested. And, without being directly compared to anyone else, whether negative or positive. And, I try to stay away from their websites. I'll admire their work because I really like my colleagues. I like the ones that do a good job, and I always appreciate the things that they do that I'm really impressed with. So, I think that's a normal thing to do if you're a colleague. But if someone out there is going to invoke our name, then I'm going to get super defensive, and I'm going to start listing off all the stuff that makes us good, and the readers can, do with that what they will. So once again, folks, we do our best to make you happy. We really do. We actually go way, way beyond what a lot of other makers do as far as per my information, as far as back and forth communication and, showing you pictures and progress pictures and so on. But once in a while, there'll be wires crossed. So just give us a chance, give us a chance all the way until, both sides are like, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. And then take it to the internet if you want to take it to the internet. But until you get to that point, you can't say you really gave us a chance to fix it, right? So that's all I wanted to say. This is our weekly showcase for the week of November 30th. So hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.